I'll guide you through moving money from Chime to another bank account without facing transaction processing delays, unexpected transfer failures, or hidden out-of-network transfer limits. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Because processing rules fluctuate depending on whether you require a fee-free standard settlement or an immediate deposit, choosing the wrong option can result in trapped funds or unnecessary service deductions. Open the latest Chime mobile app or sign into your profile on chime.com. Tap the prominent Move icon located directly at the bottom of your home screen dashboard. Select the Transfer Money Tool option from the Action menu. Designate your standard Chime checking account as the designated source for pulling the funds. Choose the Destination field and tap Add Another Account to link your external banking credentials through the integrated Plaid Network Verification portal. Input your desired dollar value using the numerical app keyboard. Review your final submission details carefully to verify routing accuracy. Tap the Transfer button to initialize a fee-free standard ACH transfer that settles within 1 to 3 business days. If you require an instantaneous payout, choose a linked external debit card instead of a standard routing account under your destination drop-down settings. Confirm the immediate transaction to execute an instant transfer to your external account within minutes for a flat 1.75% service fee. Open the separate mobile banking application of your destination bank if your Chime outbound limits block a major transaction. Input your specific Chime account number and routing numbers directly into the external bank's transfer interface. Initialize an inbound pull request from that destination app to completely bypass Chime's internal outbound app transfer restrictions. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.